it's Jessica. So for today's video, I'm in my bathroom because I'm actually going to be dyeing my hair using the Kristen Rose Gold Temporary Tint. I've never used this product before, but I saw Kelsey Ballerini use it to dye her hair and I thought it looked super cute. So I wanted to try it out. You can buy this at Target. It's only $12. How this dye works is you use it in the shower while your hair is wet. So you shower and shampoo your hair and everything as normal, and then you can towel dry it a little bit and then just spray it in, let it sit for a couple minutes, and then you rinse it out and then condition, and then it's supposed to leave your hair with this sort of like soft, blushy, rose gold, pink, pastel sort of tint to it. So I'm excited to see how this works. It is for pre-lightened or highlighted blonde hair. My hair is naturally brown, but I do get it highlighted. So the bottom of my hair is blonde. I haven't gotten it done in like a year though, and I haven't been able to get it done because of like quarantine and stuff. So the bottom of my hair is light, so hopefully it will stay on there. I'm probably gonna let it sit for a little bit longer than you're supposed to, just to make sure it shows up because my hair is a little bit darker. So now I'm gonna go hop in the shower, wash my hair, and then I'll show you guys me putting this on when I'm done. Okay, so I just showered and washed my hair, and then I let it sit up in a towel and dry for like 5 minutes. How this works is basically the wetter your hair is, the like less saturated it'll be. So if you want it to just be sort of like a tint, then you do it when your hair is pretty wet, and then if you want it to be a little bit more saturated, then you dry your hair a little bit and then spray it on after it's a little bit dry. I have a little bit of darker hair. My hair is not super blonde, so I wanted to dry it so it was a little bit more saturated and have a better chance of showing up a little bit brighter. So I let it dry for a little bit, and it's pretty dry right now. It's like, it's damp, but it's not like wet, which is good. So then I'm just going to spray this in. I don't think there's any chance of it showing up here for me, so I'm probably just gonna spray it in from like here down. And I'm standing in my bathtub because I don't want it to get all over the place because it is a spray. So I'm just gonna spray. I'm just gonna spray her. It does have really strong fumes, so just be careful breathing it in. It's like also, definitely want to do this in the bathtub or outside or something because it is getting all over the place. Like the bottom of my bathtub is like pink. I mean, I'm sure it'll wash out fine, but just you don't want to do it on like a rug or on like a hardwood floor or carpet or anything. Okay, so now I have it sprayed in. It says to let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes, but I'm gonna let mine sit for more like 5 to 7 minutes because I have darker hair and I want it to be a little bit more saturated. So I'm just gonna let it sit, and then I'm gonna go wash it out, and then I'll catch up with you then. Okay, so I got back in the shower, rinsed it out, and conditioned it, and then it's just been sort of air drying while I got ready and got dressed and everything. So far I can see like some streaks of pink on like where my hair is a little bit lighter. My hair does look a lot darker when it's wet than when it's dry though, so I'm interested to see what this looks like after I dry it. I can like see that there is like a pink tint on it, but yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna dry it, we're gonna see how it looks. Let's go. Okay, so my hair is dried and this is what it ended up looking like. It is a little bit less saturated and pink than I was expecting it to be. I was just expecting it to be a little bit like brighter pink, but honestly, I do really like it. It's very like subtle. It definitely is more of like a tint than like a dye. It doesn't like drastically like change your hair, but I do really like the subtle sort of like pinky rose goldy tint that it has to it, and I think it's very pretty and like pastel, and I do I do really like it. I think if I were to do it again, I would probably let it sit in my hair a little bit longer, and then I would also probably apply a little bit more and see if that made it show up a little bit darker. I do think it looks pretty, and definitely something that I'll be using again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you if you are thinking about using this product or a similar product. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload videos every single weekend, and I have some exciting ones coming soon for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in a new video next weekend.